Hey, it's Ben Murray with Karthik Ramani, and it's no surprise that hundreds of thousands of local restaurants have shut down in the USA, and many more are set to close soon. People have grown accustomed to staying home, ordering food online through services like Grubhub and Uber Eats, and many people still don't feel safe sitting down and eating at restaurants and using menus many other people have already touched. Simply put, restaurants that can't do mobile ordering and implement safe QR code menus with no contact order systems can't stay open anymore. Even worse, those restaurants that have implemented Grubhub and Uber Eats systems to stay afloat are drowning in the high fees these big tech companies charge to use their mobile ordering services. But we have the ultimate solution to help keep these great small business restaurants open that will help you earn monthly fees in the process too. Introducing Forrk, a groundbreaking cloud app that creates everything restaurants need to survive and thrive in a post-pandemic world. Forrk helps you find and land desperate restaurant clients, auto-creates mobile restaurant sites, it has QR code touchless menus, e-commerce mobile ordering systems to replace expensive food delivery platforms, and so much more. This smart app comes with agency rights, allowing you to provide a much-needed service to small businesses and run a restaurant marketing agency with proprietary technology. There's never been an opportunity this exciting and this big before, so let's take a look and see a little of what Forrk can do for you. To get started, let's create a new site and ordering system for a client by clicking My Store. Here you'll be able to start a new store and campaign by hitting Create New Store like this, or edit a previous client's restaurant campaign by going to Actions and Edit. For this example, I'll continue editing this ordering system and marketing campaign for the client Street Burgers. First, fill out their basic store information like name, logo, the main banner image that will appear on their smart menu, the currency, and store URL. Now this will be the URL that their smart menu and site will be hosted on using the Forrk servers. Note that you can also host and redirect this to the client's domain if they have one. Then let's start building their smart ordering menu system. Forrk will create a smart QR code for each store that when scanned with a smartphone will go to their menu site complete with e-commerce checkout ability. This QR code could be customized and printed out to put in their restaurant for customers to view the menu on their phone. It can, say, be added to an in-home food delivery flyer for a repeat business, or just hosted online for people to order food on the go via their smartphones. Every part of this smart QR code menu can be customized, including the colors, text, ability to add store logos. And if you want the QR code to redirect to a different page than the default page, which is the smart menu, go ahead and enter a URL here. Then let's choose a gorgeous theme for their smart menu clients can order from after they scan that QR code. There's product menu templates and many hot food niches, with more being added each week. Let's go ahead and choose a burger smart menu theme since we're going to be working with a client that makes burgers. Then we can begin customizing the food menu item theme in the color of the business branding that they have, say using red and pink colors if their branding is red. Then to view the smart menu website, just visit the direct link and we can see their site and begin ordering from it. Now, if the local business doesn't have a full-fledged website and wants to have a full high-end website with navigation, lead generation, and more, Forrk can supply that to them too quickly. Just go down to website theme and build out a full mobile-friendly, ultra-fast loading pro website quickly. Now remember, this can be done in addition to their already created QR code menu, which is already complete and ready to be sold to them. First, pick a template for their restaurant site. Forrk comes with premium templates in the hottest food niches and in small business, non-restaurant niches too, like spa or pet products. Because think about it, you can use Forrk for any business that needs to do safe online ordering. It doesn't just have to be food. So let's stick with this template and begin customizing it with point and click ease. First, customize their logo and navigation by choosing which sections and pages we want to display. The header section allows you to change the banner image and add videos for better marketing. Simply enter the banner image or the video URL to change it out. Then begin editing each section with the content and images, such as the About section, the reviews, their location. Just type your content, edit the colors and the photos, and at any time, click Live Preview to see what the finished site will look like. Forrk's smart technology will auto-populate the food category section with the food items you assign to the smart menu. Don't like the layout of the website? Well, you can easily move each section up and down like this, or if you want the section to disappear, just toggle the check mark on and off. You can begin building out the restaurant's email marketing list with the autoresponder section, which is very important. Now click the yellow button to connect an autoresponder or webinar system, and then edit the offer section to showcase what the customer may receive if they opt in, giving you their email address, whether it's free offers, a special coupon that day, or more. Plus, each site comes with a smart QR code that links directly to their mobile ordering system that's easily accessible on the page. Customers can quickly scan it or click a link below it to begin their online pickup order or in-home food delivery with the business. Then when you're done, click Save, and you can go to Actions and then the website page to view the website and get the link to it at any time. Now remember, their website will be hosted on our servers, so you don't have to pay for server space. But if you want to redirect it to their domain, just use the CNAME section and edit the details. It's easy to add retargeting codes for ads using the custom script section like this. Plus, you can clone the entire site for a new client or a second location without having to edit everything from scratch. First, make sure to create some food categories for each store you work with by going to the category section. For instance, you could sell burgers, sides, shakes, appetizers, any sort of category of food the client wants. Then go to My Products and hit New Product to create a new menu item for any store or customer that we're working with. Or just go to Actions, Edit to edit a previous food item we're starting to work on and want to further customize, like this. Now we can customize this food item and assign it to a specific smart menu or site. First, enter the food item's name, description of it, and upload an image. Then dive in deeper and add any offer text like 40% off today. Add star ratings if you want to it, product type, and choose to assign it a category or show in recommended products. By assigning it to a specific category, it will then show up on the store's menu we assigned that category. This allows you to create a menu item once and then use it for multiple places on multiple stores if needed. Then add variations of the product like a large serving size, a small serving size. Do you want it with a bun? Do you want it without a bun? Just like big corporate chains have. You can have add-ons that a customer would usually purchase with that food item. For instance, with a burger, you can have a can of Pepsi or have some fries on the side. Then take the menu to the next level by adding media to it, including pictures of it or videos. You can build out sophisticated high-converting menus just like McDonald's or Kentucky Fried Chicken have to significantly increase revenue. Finally, add some FAQs to each menu item, like information about refunds, and add customer reviews from, say, the local business's Google My Business page to help their menus really convert to sales far faster. Alright, great. So let's go back to the product dashboard. Now, if we want the food item to appear on the restaurant website homepage, just go ahead and check this home button here. And if for some reason the restaurant stops selling the item or it runs out for the day, just toggle the check mark to turn it off. To make sure you have the right order of food categories, just go to Settings, Category Reorder or Product Reorder, and then drag and drop the categories into place in the order that they should appear on the menu. Now, obviously, appetizers would be first and then dessert last, for instance. As you can see, everything is point and click easy for the restaurant that needs to work on the fly with Forrk. Okay, so now they're almost ready to begin taking orders. Now we need to connect their payment gateway and turn it on so that they can begin processing those mobile orders. Forrk is the only app that lets you connect clients Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal, or do manual payment or other payment gateways for them to accept the orders, process the refunds, and a lot more. Now, you don't have to do a thing on your end. Simply hit connect. Either you or them can enter their information, and then the payment gateway is active. Assign certain payment gateways to specific clients. Now with Forrk, you're getting the agency rights, so clients can connect their payment gateways on their own by logging into the app. To assign accounts, go to the Manage Client section and hit Add Client after you set up their monthly payment plan to you. Either you can create and manage the smart ordering systems on your own, or just have clients manage everything by adding them in. Finally, you can manage their mobile ordering system by going to My Orders. Here, you or the client can see all the orders that have come in, the orders that are live and need to be delivered or picked up, and orders that have been finalized, and even canceled orders. To sort by a store, simply go to the navigation bar and choose the store you want to manage, or search by payment ID if the customer is calling in about an order. Everything is under one roof to fully manage mobile delivery and pickup systems here. You can collect emails from each client that purchases and manage them in the Manage Customer portal here. Export them to your autoresponder and see their order history as well. Manage subscribers to the mobile restaurant sites by clicking on subscriber and exporting them into an autoresponder if you haven't automatically set up one for the client yet. And finally, analytics allows you and the customer to see how well your mobile ordering systems are doing and saving them money. Now, as you can see, everything is here to run a restaurant agency business. There's never been a piece of software for marketing agencies and small business restaurant owners that does everything that Forrk can do. This is really groundbreaking. And remember, Forrk isn't just for food industries. Use this for local businesses that want to create smart mobile ordering systems, like spas, plumbers, pet shops, consultants, dentists, lawyers, and so much more. Anyone that wants to do no contact ordering today with smart QR code menus. Everything is customizable and fully automated with no tech savvy skills needed. Pretty amazing, right? Plus we have big prizes available and multiple contests for multiple winners, a 7-figure copywriter on board, a big congruent funnel, and more to make this your best promotion of the year. And we're going to be reciprocating back even harder for our partners who are able to participate and promote this launch. So go ahead now and check out the partners page for all the material, examples, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on board for a huge launch soon.